Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Amandla Makhobanda, namhlanje njengoba kuyi-17 zaDisemba celebrate i-2 years yomkhonto wesizwe. Is 2 years and 1 day siwumkhonto, sila eMkhondo, sizothatha lo masipala eMkhondo, kodwa sibathe siyachecka, there's no leadership, there's no so-called leadership. Lana sishoda ngoMary Phadi, ukube khona uMary Phadi kube akusinjela, kube khona uMary Phadi ukube abantu bawatholela ama-resources, ukube sijabulile. Kodwa ke sithi ke Mary Phadi wherever lapho okhona khona, sithi thina abantu bomkhonto sithi space sakho sisasekhona. Please Mary Phadi, consider ukuthi ubuye emkhontweni, siyakudinga emkhontweni. Abantu laba abathi bawumkhonto bazela ukuzodestroya, sicela ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ubuye uzowuvuselela. Bazamile ukudestroya, bayahluleka. Jikijela mkhonto, siyawuthatha lo masipala. Oh hey, sithatha umasipala, sithatha lo at 14. Jikijela Fortune, amandla mkhonto.
Elections lawa bekhona ngomhla ka-29 kuMeyi 2024. Umkhonto wesizwe party wadominator eKZN, wathola amavoti eMpumalanga kanye naseGauteng. Kodwa ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo, amathemba ukuthi ngaphinde umkhonto wesizwe wenze kahle eMpumalanga aya ngokuncipha. Into edala lokho ile fiction lekhona, ngoba labantu laba ababeyi-fiction kaMary Phadi, uthe yena mayicoshwa kumkhonto wesizwe party kutholakala ukuthi akaseyona imember, esekhishwa khona, bangahamba naye. Uthe noma esehlangane noMfeka bakhuluma ukuthi kukhona into abazoyenza, angazi noma bazovula i-political party noma bazokwenzani, angikhumbuli kahle into yakhona, kodwa abahambanga naye. Kunalokho basamfuna abuye kumkhonto wesizwe party. Kuneletha la esizoyifunda ka-provincial organizer, if I'm not mistaken, uyasula esikhundleni abekanaso. Umama advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane wemukela leyo letha leyo, kodwa naye udaba lwakhe liyamthinta uMary Phadi. Letha le MKP iphuma Mpumalanga Provincial Detachment. Ifundeka kanje: Dear Chairperson, I write this letter with humility and deep serious sense of responsibility to formally request that I, Thuthukani Nkosi, be released from my duties as Provincial Head of Communication of Umkhonto wesizwe Party in Mpumalanga. This request follows comment that I made on Facebook, wherein I stated that MKP did not contest Ward 14, and further alleged that a candidate, after being registered as a ward councillor candidate, went on to submit to the former Mpumalanga convener, Ms. Phadi, who has since been fired from the organization. Upon reflection, I fully acknowledge that my utterances were inappropriate, hurtful, and damaging. They caused pain and disappointment to our members and activists who campaigned tirelessly for the organization. I therefore retract these utterances unreservedly and extended my sincere apology to all affected members and structures. I further wish to place on record that throughout my time in the organization, I have served Umkhonto wesizwe Party with humility, discipline, and dedication. I was honored to be first provincial spokesperson of the Umkhonto wesizwe Party Youth League in Mpumalanga, and thereafter entrusted with the responsibility of serving as the provincial head of communication. All those roles were carried out on a voluntary basis without any form of remuneration, motivated by purely my commitment to the movement and its principles. I also wish to extend my sincere apology to you, Chairperson, for conduct that placed the name of the organization into disrepute. As a cadre entrusted with communication responsibility, I should have exercised greater restraint and utilized internal organization channel to raise concerns. Should the organization deem it fit to formally charge me, and should I be found guilty through its internal discipline process, I will respect and accept any sanction imposed by the organization without reservation. My request to be released from my duties is made in the interest of protecting the integrity of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and allowing the leadership to address this matter without any perception of impropriety. I remain a loyal and disciplined member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and stand ready to serve the movement in any capacity deemed appropriate by its leadership. Thank you for your understanding and leadership. Yours faithfully, Thuthukani Nkosi, Provincial Head of Communication, Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Mpumalanga. Umkhonto weSizwe Party ngempela ushoda ngoMary Phali na ngapha endaweni yaseMpumalanga. Ukungabuyi kwakhe kuze kufika ama-local government election, kukhona la okungawuphazamisa khona Umkhonto weSizwe Party na? Ngiyazibuzela nje, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uma ngase kuthiwa akasingxenye yawo, kukhona la okungawa-affecta khona nama-elections. Ubungezwa ngibuza kanje, imibuzo lona ngiwususela kwividiyo esiqale ngayo nakule lethe esiyifundile ukuthi umehluko noma singawubona Umkhonto weSizwe Party uperforma kangcono noma ongase babuyise uMary Phali, or okanye i-fiction nje le engakwazanga kodwa ukuhamba noMary Phali. Convener waseMpumalanga oku-Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ubhale nayo iletha ebhalela uThuthukani Nkosi lo kade sifunde iletha yakhe. Ifundeka kanje: Revolutionary Comrade Thuthukani, on behalf of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Mpumalanga Provincial Detachment, I hereby acknowledge receipt of your voluntary withdrawal from the position of Head of Communication effective immediately. We sincerely thank you for availing yourself to assist the organization during this tenure. Your contributions are appreciated. We wish you well as you continue being a valued member of the organization. Wayesiyasayina ke lapha ya Advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Lesibili engifisa ukudlula kulo udaba likaMajola, ngoba kutholakala ukuthi uyimember ye-MK Party, futhi angisho kahle uma ngithi uyimember ye-MK Party ngoba asiyazi ukuthi membership yakhe imi kanjani, kodwa ubonakale ey'thombeni zakhe efake irigayila noma iy'mpahla lezi ze-MK Party.
Yabona, I feel pity for the people who still believe what MKP is for South Africans, gonna help people. So this guy, Victor Majola, is a member of MKP in good standing. Bamseshile kuma system membership MKP, bamtholile good member MK, and he is the one oboshiwe manje for ukubulala uDJ Waras. DJ Waras was killed, but when things are happening, people they blame foreigners. You see now, okay, when I am foreign, but look now, member MKP in good standing has made that our DJ. Guys, you can't trust people like this. MKP cannot be trusted. How can you trust people who are always trading in nonsense, who are always headlines for nonsense? We expect MKP to do something or to claim their name if they claim Rasim, but evidence it shows that he is a member.
Ayikho into ehlupha njengokuthi umuntu afuna ukuba relevant nangento engenasidingo. uMajola ungumsolwa inkantolo ayikakamthole necala. Okwesibili, akekho umuntu oyedwa othi mayijoyina noma yiphi i-political party bambuza ukuthi uyisigebengu, uyinkabi, uyini wena. Akukhona oyedwa. So lento eshoyo lo bhuti lo ufuna nje ukuba relevant ngento engenasidingo. Asikakazi nokuthi icala lizothini, uMajola kusazokhulunywa, akakafiki ngisho i-trial. uMajola usazo-applyela i-bail, akanama-previous conviction esisakwazi, asikakezwa lutho ngaye. Athi ngize kulo daba alishoyo le-MKP, uJulius Mkhwanazi wavele efake irigala e-ANC, kodwa ngoba uJulius Mkhwanazi kuzo zonke izinto asolwa ngazo zikwi-personal capacity yakhe as uJulius Mkhwanazi, awukaze wezwa abantu bekhuluma nge-ANC. Sikhuluma ngoKhethi Matlala obeka-sponsor i-January 8 yangonyaka ophelile. Sikhuluma ngoBrown Mogotsi. Bonke labantu bangama-members we-ANC. Baningi abantu, kodwa angeke uzwe kublenywa i-political party ngoba umuntu noma yimuphi uma sekutholakala ukuthi uyisigebengu noma wenza ubugebengu sekuyinayo i-political party ingalikhuluma udaba lwakhe. Futhi akusiwo wonke umuntu ekhuluma udaba lwakhe. Kukhulunywa ngomuntu osuke ne-position, iphathi yam-assigna ukuthi noma yam-deploya whether kuseparliament noma kuphi noma kwi-legislature, mhlampe KZN kuphi kwi-provincial legislature lesuke khona, kuthiwa sambo seva laphaya. Uma sekutholakala ukuthi kuneyinsolo ngaye, sekungathiwa-ke i-MK party ithatha isinqumo ngoba lo muntu imdeployile, but ama-members nje hayi man, abantu abayeke ukufuna ukuba relevant ngento engenasidingo. I-social media, siyazi ukuthi i-social media iyakhokha. Angiyazi i-TikTok ngiyigcine ingakhokhi, kodwa siyazi ukuthi i-social media iyakhokha. Uyakwazi ukuduma waziwe, uyakwazi ukuthi ngomsebenzi wakho abantu bagcine bekuqasha, uyakwazi ukuba ne-YouTube channel ube khona okutholayo ngenyanga, uyakwazi ukwenza ama-video ku-Facebook kube khona okutholayo ngenyanga. Kodwa uma ungazi ukuthi uzothini, yekela. Ilula lento le kunokuthi ufuna ukuba relevant ngento engenasidingo. Lento eshoyo lo muntu ukhombisa ukungakhuli. Ngingene kuma-comment ngabheka ngabona ukuthi hey, baningi abantu abagulayo la eSouth Africa. Ngike ngayisho lento ngathi abantu base-South Africa badinga i-counselling. Ingqondo zabantu base-South Africa ngazi ukuthi bazisephi, noma baloya uYan van Riebeeck noma ubani, abantu abafuni ukusensa ingqondo yabo. Angizwani-ke nabantu abavilaphisa umqondo wabo. Umuntu nje ovilapha ukucabanga angizwani naye. Funeka ucabange sizokwazi ukurizina kahle. Ingakho izizwe ezizosihlula ngoba asifuni ukucabanga. Futhi udaba malisenkantolo awukwazi ukukhuluma ngalo uzunqume. Ngeke ngathi masikhuluma nomunye la ethi kungani singaboni uJulius Mkhwanazi echajiwe, ngathi yingoba kusese ne-commission esaqhubeka. So azikho iy'nyathelo ezizothathwa manje noma angathini ama-recommendations akhona. Yingakho upresident edecide ukuthatha ama-recommendations angawadedeleli umphakathi ngoba ngabe kukhulunywa into ey'ningi manje. Uyabona lento enziwa upresident, lama-recommendations awanikezwe iMadlanga Commission ngomhla ka-17 ukuba uwenze aba-public. Ngabe kuney'nkulumo ezinje namhlanje, ubegwema lento lena. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo.